Nakalamaromda All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union gi mityeng makhada Joint Coordinating Committee 37 Drivers Day Observation nasu Kuntrata suba Drivers Day gi thoram Thangmaiban Thau ground ta pangthoki. Thoram aduda saru yakiba additional CS Textiles, Commerce and Industries and Transport Anurag Baspain Hai Driver ki sinfamasi leibak amagi transport system gi Yanglen Saruni. Yanglen Saru asi yaudaba matamda transport system madom lepangamoi. Manipur gumba topographical challenges kaya na thalaba stat asidadi driver sinfamasi araibo oide kudong tiningai oi. Pumnamak mayok na duna steering paidiba driver singi thongna lingjel thagataba ngamde. Driver sing na stat asida piriba contribution asidi hingnaba khaktagi khallaga paiba sinfam nate. Thabag asi sinfam oina paibada thongna kathokpa amadi khangba kanba changi. Poche puthok pusin khakta natana lamdamasigi connectivity amadi economy dasu driver sing asina choba thodang lauri. Ngasi drivers day gi numit asi yamna maru oiba numit amani. Numit asina lakpada mathok pangthokna lambigi khudong tiba thodok singda thawai thakraba driver sing amadi sinfam asidagi pothakraba driver singi mafamda ikai khumnaba utli. Driver singi punsi mamal naide maramaduna driver singna gari thobada checkshinna traffic rules ngakna gari thobiu haina mahangna makata ki. Ngasigi thawramaduda Director Transport Kumantem Daina SP Traffic CC Sopemia Amadi All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union gi Legal Advisor M Rameswari na Dice Member Singone Saruyaki.
On this occasion, I also urge all the drivers to take care of their health and well-being to avoid fatigue, substance abuse and stress while driving. A healthy driver is a safe driver, and safety must always be our highest priority. In conclusion, I once again extend my heartfelt appreciation to the drivers of Manipur for your dedication, resilience and service to the society. Let us work together to build a transport system that is safe, efficient and people-centric, contributing to the progress and harmony of our state. I wish all Manipur road transport drivers and motor workers union every success in its endeavors and wish all drivers a safe, prosperous and dignified future.